Forni di Sopra, nestled in the stunning Friulian Dolomites, is hosting the 2025 Ski Mountaineering Youth World Cup this weekend, welcoming athletes from around the globe. On Saturday, we witnessed the high-speed sprint event and spoke with young competitors from countries like Germany, Switzerland and Andorra.
Io sono Stefano Larici, sono il presidente della società sportiva fornese, che è la società che ha organizzato questa seconda tappa di Coppa del Mondo Juniores nella disciplina dello sci alpinismo, che è una disciplina olimpica, per cui potrebbe essere che anche qualcuno di questi atleti parteciperà a Milano-Cortina 2026.
So I'm from Switzerland and I think pretty well. I just lose the second place in the downhill.
I'm from Andorra and really it was hard. I lost the pole. Some guys are a little bit too unsportive, I think. So yeah, not the race I was waiting for.
Hi, I'm Luca. I'm from Colico Valtellina. Very good, very well. Start really fast and it's a short race, so you must be really fast in the first part and then push until the finish line.
France had a good race, but the level is so high in international races, so I'm happy with what I did, but I wish I had been to finals.
Quali potrebbero essere i possibili lucky losers che andranno